Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy F14. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and getting completely free app called Send Anywhere from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can click on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. After that, click on Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung and Receive next to Send at the bottom of F14. Also on F14, scroll all the way down and tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to Samsung smartphone. Now you need to tap on all of those type of categories and in them select those type of dots. This way you'll choose all of those files. If you want to, you can also just click on the chosen ones. I will go with this one photo. When you're ready, click on Send next to Selected at the bottom in order to continue. Now tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on this scanning icon located next to Input key on F14. Then choose while using the app or only this time and point your device's camera at the code. If you want to input this key instead, you need to tap on Input key section, type in all of those numbers and connect using Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!